Hey everybody, what's up? Today is Sunday, January 16th, and this is a very short video. There's a problematic area by my house, Reservoir Boulevard and Central Avenue, and also 37th Avenue Northeast, where the car just will not take a left turn at the intersection up here. So I'm going to try to do this with every FSD Beta build that I can until it actually works the way we want it to. So it's a very confusing intersection, as you'll see, but we're essentially going to be making a left turn when we get to this intersection. And it's almost like a, I don't know, almost 180-degree turn. So the car will not do it as of FSD Beta 10.6. This is my first time trying it with FSD Beta 10.8. So we'll see if any behavioral changes have been noticed. So far, this has been the best beta build that I've had the pleasure of using so far. So hopeful, but we'll see. 10.9 is obviously quickly rolling out here, and it started rolling out today to employees. So hopefully we'll get some videos going this week with that build and see if there's any changes based on the routes that I've driven around here. So without further ado, let's go for a drive here and see how it does. All right, so real quick here. So we're gonna be making a left turn on 37th Avenue. We're on Reservoir Boulevard right now, and we almost have to go out in the middle of the intersection before we start our left turn if the car is going to complete it right. So we have a green light here. Let's see what it does. It looks like it wants to make the turn, but it can't do it yet. So let's see what it does. Oh wow, it's actually going to do it. It's not super pretty. I'm helping it out with some throttle input there, but all right, so that was not pretty at all by any means, but it completed the turn. I gave it a little bit of throttle input at the end there, but that is a big change from 10.6, where it wouldn't do it, and it wouldn't do it in any other previous FSD builds either. So I want to say this issue is kind of fixed. Obviously, it could take it much more smoothly, but it actually made the left turn, which is cool. So anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.